Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. This is going to be an extremely quick video. I just wanted to show you guys something that was sent out to me as a gift. Now, these are some geodes. These are breakable geodes from Dancing Bear. I was so impressed with the quality of this product. And what's amazing about this, guys, is you never know what you're going to get. Now, when you first receive them, they're going to look exactly like this, very normal rocks you would probably find in your garden or something like that. Or if you're out on a walk or something, this is what they look like. But once you open them up, you will find some amazing beauty inside of these rocks, guys. So if you are into nature, if you love this type of stuff, this is something you definitely want to take a look at. I opened these up kind of quick. I just put this inside of a towel and bashed it on the ground, and I wound up with a whole bunch of pieces. I would recommend using something like a little chisel and a small hammer and then just cracking along the line or something like that, and that's going to give you a better result. I'm going to show you guys a little bit closer up here in a second what the amazing beauty of these stones look like. But like I said, from first glance, this is what you're going to see. So let's take a closer look. You should now be able to see get a much better look at these stones. They are gorgeous. Let me grab another one. Look at that. That is amazing. So like I said, guys, if you're into this type of thing, definitely take a look at these stones. I think you'll be very, very impressed with them. They will make amazing gifts. I am currently trying to think of things that I could incorporate these into in some of my DIY projects, for like 3D printing and laser engraving, how I can use fragments of these stones in those type of projects. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I just want to do a quick video showing you guys these amazing geode stones. Hopefully you are as impressed as I have been, and I will see you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.